Welcome to our YouTube channel, Wonderpedia. Today, we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of the mantis shrimp, a creature that truly defies the ordinary. These remarkable marine animals have captured the curiosity of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, thanks to their astonishing abilities and unique characteristics. Join us as we uncover 10 incredible facts about the mantis shrimp that will leave you in awe of the wonders of the ocean. Number 10. They are eaten in some countries. Indeed, mantis shrimp are formidable predators, but in various regions like Vietnam, the Philippines, Japan, China, and Hawaii, humans do consume them as well. Their meat is often likened more to lobster than shrimp, and they are commonly prepared in a deep-fried dish seasoned with garlic and chili. Number 9. Some are XSMASARs, others are SPEARERs. Mantis shrimp, including the peacock mantis shrimp, can be categorized into two groups based on their claw types: smashers and spearers. Smashers have club-shaped claws, which they use like hammers to deliver powerful blows that help them break the shells of their prey. In contrast, spearers have sharp, barbed claws that they employ for stabbing and slicing their prey. Number 8. You need or of glass to keep them. Mantis shrimp aren't commonly chosen as household pets due to their remarkable punching capabilities, which can effortlessly break or destroy aquarium glass. To keep a mantis shrimp as a pet, one must invest in durable acrylic glass that is resistant to shattering. Moreover, it is essential to house mantis shrimp individually, as they have a tendency to be aggressive towards other aquatic creatures sharing their environment. Number 7. They see a wide range of colors. Mantis shrimp possess highly intricate eyes that grant them the ability to perceive a diverse array of colors, including ultraviolet wavelengths, thanks to their 12 light-sensitive receptors. This starkly contrasts with humans, who possess only 3 color-detecting cells for blue, red, and green. Number 6. Their name is linked to the praying mantis. Mantis shrimps are named after their predatory behavior, which is reminiscent of praying mantises. Both creatures employ their folded forelimbs as tools for hunting. However, it's important to note that the mantis shrimp's strike is far more potent, and their forelimbs are situated on the sides of their mouths. Number 5. Some species are monogamous. In addition to their aggressive hunting and defensive behaviors, mantis shrimp also exhibit a romantic aspect in their lives. Certain species of mantis shrimp are recognized for their monogamous tendencies, remaining committed to a single partner for as long as 2 decades. Number 4. TYY, also helping build better body armor. Mantis shrimp, despite their formidable punching ability, avoid self-injury due to their surprisingly robust physiology. Hidden beneath their exterior shell, they possess layers of a substance known as elastic polysaccharide chitin, which serves as a safeguard by absorbing and dispersing the impact energy. Number 3. They pack a record-breaking punch. The mantis shrimp is renowned for possessing the world's fastest recorded punch in the animal kingdom. Their limb movements are incredibly rapid, clocking in at approximately 50 miles per hour, which is even faster than the acceleration of a .22 caliber bullet. This astonishing speed results in their punch delivering a whopping 160 pounds of force, making it capable of shattering glass and penetrating the tough shells of their prey. Number 2. They look like cartoon characters. Mantis shrimp possess prominent stalked eyes and distinctive paddle-like flaps resembling ears on the sides of their heads. These unique creatures often exhibit a cartoon-like appearance, featuring spines adorning their tails and showcasing a stunning array of vibrant colors. Number 1. They are antics shrimp. First off, despite their names, mantis shrimp aren't actually shrimp. They are stomatopods, which are carnivorous marine crustaceans and distant relatives to crabs and lobsters. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep delving into the mysteries of the natural world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time on Wonderpedia.